Nestle here from girlonthemattress.com. In this video, we're gonna unbox a mattress. Ooh, there it is. The Muse Mattress. It is a memory foam mattress. It's not 10 inches, it is 12 inches. Please remember, the full review is on my site, girlonthemattress.com. Please go visit there. You can learn every detail about this mattress, the ratings, after I sleep on it, what's the bounciness, edge support, comfort, durability, and everything else you need to know. Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go unbox it. No pillows. I'm trying to not cut the mattress because so much layers of plastic cover. I think it's too much. You don't need that much. You don't need that much bag. Guys, there's a lot to talk about this mattress. I'm gonna relax right now and get my sweat off, and I'll see you in the next video, the Muse mattress review video. But the full review is on my site, girlonthemattress.com. You can go check it out and learn everything you need to know about the Muse mattress. And love you so much, and see you! Are you still there? Are you still here? No. Go to girlonthemattress.com.